BPC-157 Infiniwell. Is it for real recovery support or just hype? Today I'm going to show you whether it's worth it or not. Infiniwell's BPC-157 is getting attention for its claims to help with recovery, from muscle repair to joint support and even gut health. It's based on a peptide called body protection compound 157, known for its potential to help the body heal and reduce inflammation. In short, it's designed to help you bounce back faster and feel less sore after physical strain or injury. What makes the Infiniwell interesting is that they offer different versions to match your recovery needs. You can choose between two strengths: 250 micrograms for general maintenance and 500 micrograms for more intensive support. There are also two release types: rapid and delayed. The rapid version acts quickly in the upper GI tract, while the delayed one is designed to survive stomach acid and release deeper in the intestines for better absorption. That's a smart move, since most oral peptides break down before your body can actually use them. The formula itself is simple and clean. The main active ingredient is their version of BPC-157, referred to as pentadeca short-chain amino acids. It's combined with basic fillers like rice powder and microcrystalline cellulose inside the vegetable capsule. Some batches also include SNAC, short for chalcopyrrhate sodium, an absorption enhancer usually found in pharmaceutical products. SNAC helps the peptide survive digestion and move into the bloodstream more efficiently, which gives Infiniwell an edge over standard capsules that rely on passive absorption. The supplement is also labeled gluten-free, soy-free, dairy-free, and non-GMO. Reviews on their website are overwhelmingly positive, averaging around 4.8 out of 5 stars. Users mention faster recovery after workouts, less soreness, improved flexibility, and even better gut comfort after consistent use. What really sets Infiniwell apart is the thought behind its design. While most BPC-157 products are plain capsules with minimal bioavailability, Infiniwell focuses on delivery and absorption, two things that make or break peptide supplements. The inclusion of SNAC and the option for delayed release show that they're trying to solve the biggest problem in this category: making oral peptides actually work. That said, it's not a miracle solution. The effects tend to be gradual. Most people notice subtle improvements in recovery and mobility over time, not instant results. And while early studies on BPC-157 look promising, most research has been on animals, not humans, so the evidence is still limited. Even with better absorption tech, not all of the peptide will make it through digestion. Cost is another consideration. The higher dose versions and longer cycles can get expensive, especially for adding other recovery supplements. This makes it more of a long-term investment than a casual buy. Still, Infiniwell deserves credit for approaching this scientifically. The clean formulation, controlled release options, and focus on absorption make it stand out from the most peptide supplements on the market. So, is BPC-157 Infiniwell worth it? If you train hard, deal with the inflammation, or want better overall recovery, it's definitely worth considering. Just keep your expectations realistic. It won't transform your results overnight, but it could give you a measurable boost over time. Infiniwell's BPC-157 is one of the few peptide supplements that actually feels thoughtfully made. It's not hype, just a smart, well-formulated product that supports your body's natural recovery process, as long as you pair it with the basics like rest, nutrition, and consistency.